Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials. Same Wi-Fi and wireless display enabled on Windows 11. This gives the wireless bridge. Once done, open Settings right arrow apps right arrow optional features and install wireless display. Make sure the laptop is discoverable by turning on nearby sharing if needed. On your phone, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast or Screen Mirroring. Grant permission to search for devices. These steps set up discovery and the protocol, so the phone can find the laptop and negotiate the video stream. Now you initiate the connection. Open the Connect app on Windows or press Win+K for the Connect pane. This advertises the laptop. On the phone, choose the laptop name from the cast list. Make sure to accept the pairing prompt on Windows when it appears, because that completes the handshake. Once paired, pick Projection Mode, Duplicate to Mirror, Extend to use laptop as second screen, or second screen only if you want the mobile alone. This controls how inputs and audio route between devices. Finish by confirming display and audio behave. Open display settings to adjust resolution, scale, and audio output so the cast looks sharp. If you see lag or stutter, make sure both devices are on 5 GHz Wi-Fi or move them closer to the router. Lower resolution on the phone if needed. If connection fails, restart the Connect app on Windows, toggle wireless display off and on, or reboot both devices. These steps clear stale sessions and reinitiate a clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.